Are you tired of delays? Do you want to do more with your time? Unilag students, say no more. Meet the electric buses in Unilag. Zero emissions, zero noise, and paired with Cowry equals zero stress. Just tap your Cowry card or your phone. One tap and you're in. No cash, no delay. From one point to another. Hostels to class, class to lab, sports center to hostel, Cowry gets you there. Tap, ride, repeat. Together, we're making Unilag healthier, smarter, and unstoppable. Download the Cowry app today and also get the Cowry card.